Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn and my puppy Sweetie Pie, and I'm gonna see if she can do a couple of tricks this morning for you guys. She's a miniature toy doxy, and she has a lot of energy. Sit and sit. Haha, good girl. Paw paw, good girl. Lay down. Lay down. And over. I'm gonna go. It's hard to film on here. Lay down. Over. Good girl. Sit. Paw paw. Lay down. Over. Crawl. Good girl. And those are all her tricks for today. I hope you enjoy her as much as I do. God bless you. Love you all out there. Hope you enjoy.